Okay, I got these wires here that are all cut, but it looks like whoever did this at least did me a favor and isolate speaker wires. The rear speaker, it's the only one that has a connector on it still that I don't have to fix. But I did order off eBay some new connectors. I'll get them soldered on, but I'll be using a voltmeter to figure out which ones I want. I believe these are my power wires, but I'm not sure, and this is probably my dimmer and illumination. So I'll show you the connectors. These are the new connectors. This is the power. I already pretty much cut off the power antenna wire because I don't need that. Radio. The instructions really aren't that great, but it kind of gives you a jumping off point. These colors to me don't look anything like what it says on there, even though this plug facing this way, they all match up, and this one's kind of confusing me. I do have a wiring harness that is not cut. This one actually does have a power antenna, but this harness matches up perfectly to this one. So, all right, something to go off of. Okay, so I'm kind of playing with the wires right now. Let's see. That does nothing. That's my power. This is my, I think, my illumination. I'll go and turn my lights on. Okay, I got the lights on. And now that's lighting up. This is my constant 12 volts. And I think this will probably turn on with the key on. That's ground. This I think is supposed to be the dimmer, but it doesn't, it's not working, but I may not be wiring it up right. Okay, at this point I got everything wrapped in electrical tape. I did use heat shrink for after I soldered them, and then I just kind of wrapped everything in some electrical tape to help make it a little bit more sanitary. I'll get everything plugged in and then see if everything works. Okay, it's back in, got my keys on, let's see if it works. Yeah, it's powering up. Well, got power. We'll go ahead and make sure everything else works.